Hey, what's up everyone? Easy Earl here, and today we are going to discuss which is better, Godaddy or Ionos. So, let's begin. Okay, so comparing Godaddy and Ionos, formerly One and One Ionos, involves understanding the strengths and weaknesses of each hosting provider. Right? Now, basically, GoDaddy is renowned for domain registration, offering a wide range of domain names and related services. They offer an array of products beyond hosting, including website builders, email hosting, SSL certificates, and more, making it a one-stop shop for many website needs. Now, Ionos, on the other hand, they generally offer good performance and reliability, especially on the higher tier plans. Competitive pricing, especially considering the features and resources provided, provides a user-friendly interface and a straightforward setup suitable for beginners and those new to hosting. Also, GoDaddy provides 24/7 customer support through various channels like live chat, phone, and email, ensuring assistance whenever needed. They offer various hosting options suitable for different needs, from shared hosting for small sites to dedicated servers for larger projects. On the other hand, Ionos offers reliable customer support through various channels like phone, chat, and email, ensuring assistance when needed. It provides robust security features and tools to help protect websites hosted on their platform. Now, GoDaddy, some users find that it can be aggressive with upselling additional services, which might feel overwhelming or unnecessary. While suitable for many websites, some users report inconsistent performance, especially on shared hosting plans, which could affect site speed and uptime. While they offer various packages, some users might find GoDaddy's pricing comparatively higher than other hosting providers, especially when renewal fees kick in. In terms of Ionos, like many hosting companies, Ionos might actively promote additional services or upgrades, which can be seen as an aggressive or pushy by some users. And also, lower tier plans may have limitations in terms of storage, bandwidth, or additional features, potentially impacting larger or more resource-intensive websites, right? Now, for more experienced users here in GoDaddy might find limitations or complexities, especially when trying to customize settings beyond the basics. There have been instances in the past where GoDaddy faced security breaches, which raised concerns among users regarding data safety. Now, in terms of Ionos, some features or add-ons might come at an extra cost, potentially increasing the overall price beyond the base hosting plan. While they offer various support channels, some users have reported mixed experiences with customer service and occasional delays or less than ideal resolutions. Now, what I suggest is if you want to know more about GoDaddy and its information about the pricing and advantages for you to consider into, why not go here at godaddy.com, right? And in Ionos as well, all right? So basically, if you are looking for a hosting provider, all right, with some features or add-ons that will help protect websites on their platform, I believe Ionos provides a better robust in terms of security features and tools, all right? So in conclusion, when deciding between the two, consider factors like your budget, specific features you need, performance, scalability, customer support, and the type of website you're planning to host, all right? Because I believe both providers have their own strengths, so it's essential to align their offerings with your website's requirements and your preferences for a hosting provider. Reading reviews and comparing pricing and features directly related to your needs can help in making an informed decision, okay? I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.